Does live transcribe keep turning a word into something completely different? You can teach it the correct word. You can add your own custom words to help with uncommon words or phrases. Let me show you how. First, open setting. Scroll down and tap accessibility. Tap hearing enhancement. Tap live transcribe. Now tap open live transcribe. Tap the settings icon in the bottom left corner. Tap more setting. Find custom words. Tap it. Then tap add word. Now enter the word or phrase you want live transcribe to recognize. For example, let's add a word that isn't normally recognized correctly. Once you are done, save the word. Now, live transcribe can use your custom word when transcribing speech. And that's how to add custom word to live transcribe on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.